I get my arm kind of here, and I can't get my arm past. Kind of got his elbow is messing with me. He's like shoving his elbow down, but I got my arm under. So watch. I'm gonna block his hip on this side and lean, and I'm gonna take my arm and backwards grip the back of his neck here. You see? So I tried this move, and all I successfully did was get my arm here, but I'm trying to do this, and he's too strong, okay? I block his hip so he don't run this direction. I lean so I can turn my arm. I'm using my knuckles to back grip this. I put my head on this side, and I bump up. Now I'm walking to the other side so that I can, what's it called, a paper cutter. So I'm pulling the bottom, I'm here, and I'm dropping for the choke. Normally what ends up happening is when I walk, his arm's kind of here in that paper cutter variation, and I go here. I use a one thumb grip. I've seen a lot of variations. I've seen a one thumb grip. Some people just kind of grab this. I've seen some people do this. I got a bad wrist, so I can't do that, but I've seen a lot of people finish that way. But the most common is this one thumb grip. This doesn't work if you don't pull the gi on the bottom. So if I just drop my hand, it doesn't do nothing. Also, it's not my forearm. I kind of yank up on it so that it's more on my wrist, and I drop my elbow and then flare out just a little bit, okay? So if I just do this and keep my elbow straight down, some guys will turn real hard into me, and sometimes it's hard to hold. But sometimes I'll flare my elbow, and when he turns into me, it's hard for him to get past that, and then I can choke him.